I am Bronwyn of the Guardians of Nature. I wish for you, as I transmit to you, as I hold you like a mother holds her children, I wish for you to melt into the message within the transmission. That is to say that I wish for you to fully experience this transmission. And so if you are able, I ask that you close your eyes. I ask that you be with me as I assist you into a more loving connection and interconnectivity with all life. Now, the family can be those that you were born into, your blood, your relatives. And they are very precious to you for an obvious reason. Not only are they a part of your physical experience throughout your linear experience of time in this now moment, they have soul connections with you, the majority of them. And they have chosen to be with you to assist you in some way. But often there are very disjointed, unharmonious, even painful experiences. So what you find, beloved ones, as I transmit to you this nurturing, feminine experience, you can see me as the mother, as I soothe you, as I hold you, as I witness you where you are now. I am the guardian of nature. That is very wise, it perhaps is the right word for us to bring forward now regarding connection, family connections. And what I want to do is to expand, to explore the nature of relationship. For you will also know that those that are chosen by you, those that enter your life, those that you cherish and you love, they are also your family. They may even have chosen to be with you for, again, a very specific reason. But there is perhaps a more of a flexibility within this relationship, for it is maybe easier in one sense to allow for a flexibility within this relationship. Not always. If there is a thread of karmic cycles within the relationship to do with a past blood relationship, then there will be healing there. But generally there is a sense of those chosen by you and those that choose you to be in this lifetime. There is a loving bond there. And whether it be slight, whether it be transient, or whether it be lasting, there is a potency and a power there too. They too are your family. And then extending out, beloved ones, we want for you to understand that on some level you are all family. If you were to see the interconnectivity and the interconnection within your DNA, within your gene nodes, somewhere along the line in your ancestry, you will all have been connected. So we want for you to extend now, to be aware of where you have a resistance, to be aware of where there is a part of you that denies this, to allow for a softening as I hold you. therein perhaps there is some healing. There is the potential for you to be in awareness of that where there is an imbalance within. And by awareness, you begin the rebalancing, if you will, the healing. For we wish for you all to understand that you are all family, that you can extend and expand that experience, that understanding of family, of the unconditional love that is the ideal and is not always the way we understand, but it is the ideal within the family. And this is what we want for you to understand and to elevate within you as I transmit to you, as I hold you perhaps as your mother now, as I see you with the eyes of unconditional love, with the heart of unconditional love, and hold you in this space of non-judgment. This is the ideal. And we are not suggesting that you arrive at this overnight, although that is possible. We ask that you be softening your edges, to be flexible, to be an awareness of where those resistances, where those places that you squeeze tightly at the thought of loving all, where there is a place where you are unable to. Just notice it, recognize it, hold it, love it. An awareness of it begins the journey of healing. And eventually it will assist you to understand that you are all family. We are all family together. All in existence are connected and interconnected. And this exquisite being that you reside upon, Mother Earth, is your mother. The goddess Gaia holds you in the higher expressions and experiences, and the earth holds you physically. Do you feel that? Do you feel her love for you? Notice. Notice in her beauty. Notice in her radiance. Notice in her extraordinary giving, in her extraordinary abundance, in the way that she heats your homes, in the way that she feeds you, in the way that she holds you when you fall, in the way that she holds you as you transition into your full expression. There are many, many ways that the earth is here for you. This message is a beginning. This walk with a Bronwyn of the Guardians of Nature is to assist you to open your eyes and your heart, is to begin to have awareness of the pain within you that you just need to hold, that without judgment you have the ability to soften and eventually heal. We are holding you as you hold yourselves. And the love, the unconditional love, begins with you. Allow us to hold you, beloved ones. Allow Bronwyn and Mother Earth to hold you as a mother should. Now that sounds like a judgment. We will perhaps leave it there as an open question for there is deep healing within this message, and you are not alone. Bronwyn, should you choose, is with you and holds you. I am Bronwyn of the Guardians of Nature, and if you will allow, I will assist you to begin the journey of healing your deep wounds. When you are ready, never before, and it is always your choice, should you choose.